Now, welcome friends in our projection of plane. Today, the problem with rhombus plate. So, in problem statements, the ABCD, it is a rhombus plate with AC diagonal 80 mm and your BD diagonal it is 50 mm, and your rhombus plate resting on HP with corner A and diagonal AC parallel to HP and VP plane. So now friends, if you observe the top view of the plates and our plate on HP with AC diagonal, so the top view always the true shape of rhombus, and your elevation for the first stage, it is the line on XY line. So first we prepare our rhombus as per dimensioning. So first I draw my XY line. This is my HP plane. It is our VP plane. And our rhombus plates AC it is 60 and your BD diagonal it is 40 mm. So your O point, it is the center of the both the diagonal. So I mark the top view A, B, C and D. Now I join the ABCD with a straight line. So you can get your top view of rhombus ABCD in your HP plane. Now my elevation, it is on XY line, so I transfer the vertical projection from all the four corners, and on XY line we have the elevation A dash, B dash, D dash, C dash. Now the second stage of the problem, it is say here, your rhombus plates inclined to HP either surface of the rhombus inclined to HP. So your two statements are same. Either problem it is say the diagonal AC inclined to HP, either surface inclined to HP, the position of our rhombus plate it is same. So when the plate inclined to HP, diagonal inclined to HP, the top view it is become square, and we have to find out the surface either diagonal inclined to HP. But in second stage, our arrangement, the corner A, it is on HP plane. So what I do? First, the plate inclined to HP such that the top view becomes square. It is our problem statement. So for that, in square we know the both body diagonal are same. So we have the smallest body diagonal 40 mm and this AC body diagonal it is 60 mm. So when the plate it is going to incline to HP, our top view of AC it is required 40 mm. So for that I take the projection and I draw the 40 mm plan of AC first. And from this middle points, we draw our BD diagonal, and the BD diagonal it is doesn't change because it is perpendicular to VP plane. So in top view, the line perpendicular to VP, always there is a true length. So we mark the B and D. Now simply we join our all the corner with a straight line and we create our second stage plan as per problem statements. And the question it is find out the surface inclined to HP, either body diagonal inclined to HP. So for that we take the vertical projection and we know this AC it is a top view length. So its elevation always A dash C dash. It is inclined to HP. So here first I mark the A dash on XY because in second stage our corner A of the rhombus on HP plane. Now I take the first stage elevation as a radius, center A dash, and I draw the arc on the projection which is coming from top view length. So it is my C dash. Similarly, you can take the A dash to B dash, center A dash and draw the arc. Now you join your A dash C dash first and it is your B dash D dash position. Now measure this angle theta. The AC diagonal inclined to HP, either surface inclined to HP. So that is 48. So I can write the answer 48 degree. Now the third stage of the problem it is say here, the body diagonal BD which is perpendicular to VP, it is inclined to VP 45 degree. Here it is inclined to VP 90 degree. So what we do? Just with T-leads. So first I mark the point, reference point on XY line. At the reference point, first we draw the 45 degree inclination line. On this inclination line, we arrange our body diagonal BD. So this is my 40 mm. So I can substitute at any place on inclination line. And from its middle points, we show our AC diagonal. It is also 40 mm, the plan of AC diagonal. So we rearrange our second stage plan with body diagonal BD inclined to VP 45 degree. Your AC plan diagonal AC it is also inclined to VP 45 degree. So these statements are same. Either the problem it is say your body diagonal inclined to VP BD 45 degree. Either it is say the plan diagonal inclined to VP 45 degree. Now we know when the plate inclined to both the plane, the elevation it is surface. So for that what I do, just we collect the vertical projection. So I draw the vertical projection from all the corners and horizontal projection from previous elevation. Now you can mark your intersection points. So this is my A points, always the A dash on XY line. So there is A dash, then it is our B dash, then it is our C dash, and this is our D dash. Now we sequentially join our points A dash to B dash, B dash to C dash, C dash to your D dash, and D dash to A dash. So this entire it is your elevation when the rhombus plate inclined to both the reference plane. Thank you. आपको ये चैनल आपको अच्छी लगती है तो आप इसको ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए, लाइक कर दीजिए और दूसरे चैप्टर के प्रॉब्लम्स स्टडी करने के लिए आप प्लेलिस्ट से ऑप्शन सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू।